Consider you are in some other country for vacation, for example, Italy, and you don't have the knowledge of the native language of that place. How will you converse with local people over there to let them understand what you are trying to say and vice versa? Language translation systems comes to our rescue in such instances. So how can we build a language translation system that can, let's say, take your voice command in English and convert it into French or Hindi language? Now, these are not only the languages to which you can translate. There are several other languages to which you can translate your language. Folks, Nitin here, and this is the AI University channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to build a language translation based small project where a user can give a voice command in his or her own language via computer's microphone or any other device which can take human voice as input. The voice command captured will then trigger a language translation module which can convert this language to some other language of your choice. Amazing thing about this project is that everything will happen in near real time. First, I will give a demo of this application and then we will build this application from scratch using Python language. So watch this video till the end to get the complete details. If you are new here, then consider subscribing to this channel, or if you have already subscribed, then click on the bell icon to receive the notifications about hottest technologies of 21st century. GitHub link for all the required Jupyter notebooks is given in the description section as well as at the end of the video. Please don't forget to like and share this video. So I have created a separate project series on speech recognition to give you an understanding of basics of speech recognition, so you can watch that series to learn the basics. In fact, there we developed a small project as well where we can make use of speech recognition to give a voice command to the application, and it would open the youtube.com website in the web browser by itself and then search for the videos related to that keyword or sentence. So let's get straight to the Jupyter notebook and where I will give you the demo of the application first. I will speak a sentence in English and the application will translate it into the Hindi language, and you can hear the output in the near real time. So let me run this cell here. Hello, how is the weather today? So you can see that the audio player is opened up here. Isn't it great? Let me speak out another sentence now. Hello, here is your food. Isn't it amazing? Now this is just a basic application and it is not a commercial application, but we can make changes in the Python code to build some advanced application from building a project perspective. Also, there are language translation Bluetooth devices available on Amazon website which can translate the languages in real time. I have provided the link of those devices in the description section, so you can take a look at those devices. So now let's see the Python code associated with it. In the first cell, I am importing the important libraries required for building this language translation based project. So first one in the list is speech recognition package, which will be used to perform speech to text translation. Second one is Google Trans package, which will use the Google Translate API to take input in one language and translate it into different language. Third package is GTTS, which stands for Google Text to Speech, which alongside OS package is being used to convert text to speech and play the translated text as audio, just like we saw a little while ago. So you can install all these packages by typing pip install followed by the package name in the command line, or in the Jupyter notebook by prefixing pip with exclamation mark. So you can, if you want to, let us say, install GTTS package, you can type the command in the Jupyter notebook, something like this, and then you can run this cell. So this particular package will be installed right away through Jupyter Notebook. Now in the next line, I'm creating two recognizer class based objects called recog1 and recog2. Next, I have created an object of microphone class and gave it a name MC. I'm using microphone called a Microsoft Sound Mapper input whose device index value is 0. If you want to get the details pertaining device index values, then watch the video given in the I button above. The link is also provided in the description section as well. Now, in order to capture a microphone input or listen to the microphone, we can use a method called listen, which is associated with recognizer class. The method listen takes an argument which is nothing but the audio source called microphone. It tries to capture the input from the microphone until it hears nothing or encounters the silence. The various print statements given inside this block are for the informational purpose and will guide you to take an appropriate action. In the next line, we have this if condition block, which actually tells the application that we are trying to initiate the translation. That is, it checks if the word hello is present in our speech. If it is, then it proceeds to the next series of steps. If you see this line above here, I have provided an informational message saying speak hello to initiate the translation, and that's why we are checking for this word hello here. So if you remember, in the demo part, I first said hello and then after that provided my sentences to translate them. Please note that recognize underscore Google method converts our speech into text. If that text contains the word hello, then it will move on to the next set of lines where we are creating few objects like recog1, translator, which will be used downstream. We also have two variables named from lang, which stores abbreviated value of language from which we want to translate, and in our case it's en for English. Then we have another variable called toLang, which stores abbreviated value of language to which we want to translate. In our case, it is hi for Hindi. In the next line, we are using another block to capture or listen to the actual sentence we want to translate. Please note that I am again giving an informational message asking user to speak out his or her sentence here. Now the next block of try and accept is where all the magic is happening. In the try block, first we are converting the speech to text using recognize Google method, which actually is taking the input audio sentence to be translated as an argument. In a nutshell, the variable get underscore sentence holds the sentence which we want to get translated. In the next line, I am just printing the audio sentence in order to ensure that microphone captured exactly whatever I was saying. Next, I am making use of translate method associated with translator object to translate the text from English to Hindi. The arguments or parameters associated with this method are sentence, which we spoke out, SRC or source language, which is the language that we want to translate, and TEST or destination is the language to which we want it to be translated. Next, I am extracting the text attribute value from text to translate object here. This holds the translated text value in Hindi language. In the next line, I am passing this translated Hindi text into GTTS object or Google text to speech object as an argument, along with two more parameters called toLang and slow equals to fast. So if we keep slow equals to true, then it will read the text more slowly. Please note that GTTS require an internet connection to operate because it relies on Google to get the audio data. So make sure you are connected to internet when you are testing it. So I am storing the value of this operation in a variable called speak, which I am first saving in the next line here using a method called save. The name given to this saved file is captured underscore voice.mp3, and as a result of this operation, the file will get created in your current working directory. In the next line, I am using OS module to play this audio file. So we have to give two arguments to system method. First one is a start, which depicts start playing the audio, and next one is the audio file name, which needs to be played. The two except statements right after this are being used to handle any errors. Now, if you are wondering what all languages are supported and what are their corresponding abbreviated two-letter name, then you can refer this cell here where I am printing all the supported languages of Google Translate API. So let's run this cell once again. Hello, how are you? Perfect. So you can build these kind of language translation related applications using Python in this way. So you can make your own tweaks or own changes to make this application more advanced. So folks, this is it for now. I will create and share several other interesting projects like these in the upcoming future. And here is today's question. What does GTTS stands for? Please post your answers, comments in the comment section given below so that I can get a chance to incorporate your feedback. You can also post your technical questions in the comment section and I will try to answer the same. If you are watching this video and you are not already a subscriber to our channel, consider clicking that little subscribe button. In case you have already subscribed, then click on the bell icon to receive the notifications whenever I will release a new video. So thanks for hanging out with me guys. I will be covering next topic in the upcoming video, so keep on watching. Thank you.